Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashita from my channel HAIRSTYLE. Hope you all are doing good. So guys, today in this video is all about hospital backpacking, what I packed for my hospital for my labor. So I'll show you what are the things I packed in my hospital bag. So these were the list which are given by my doctor to pack. So I'm in my 39 weeks and I don't know, labor could start anytime sooner. So I packed before itself. I packed my hospital bag in 36 week itself. Friends, as of now, doctor told me it will be of normal delivery because baby's head is in proper position and it was fixed properly in the month of 8th itself. So from then he confirmed it will be of normal delivery, but we'll see what will happen on that moment. Guys, I'm showing to the doctor name called Warren Hall, where he is located in Sandton Mediclinic, Randburg, Johannesburg. Apart from that, yeah, I'm doing some of the yoga and walking. Here it's given as 5 sets of clean baby clothes and 1 warm blanket and earbuds.
So before packing, my husband he washed all of the baby clothes using a baby detergent and later on rinse with the Dettol. So this is the very first time we are washing the baby clothes and it is very tiny. We are excited to wash. So we washed it ourselves.
So guys, here I have a set of sweaters, a sweater with a pant and also a cap. This is one set and this is another set of sweaters. And here is the cute cloth. I think this is the first one which I bought for my baby for the photo shoot, and that time I was not knowing the gender, but I bought like a universal one, not like pink or blue. This is the set of cloths, 1, 2, and this is a wrapper. This is also I kept as 2. And since I already know the baby gender, I bought the clothes accordingly. I got to know the baby gender in the month of 3 itself. So we are manifesting for girl baby, and yeah, it was a girl baby. And here also it's another one. It's so cute. I just packed some extra clothes, not accordingly the same things which is given by doctor. I packed some extra also. And here also the small cloth. Oh, this is so cute. It's very small. And here I have baby's towel. And I have one baby blanket and another blanket. Actually, this was done by my friend. She did it by herself and made, so it is very special. So I also packed this. And this is a blanket. And here I have some caps. Some langots, cap again. And again this one. Okay, apart from this, I have small kerchief like thing to clean baby face and also napkins. Apart from this, I have 2 dry mats. Actually, these things is not given by doctor in the list, but still I'm packing this. And I have one mustard pillow. And I have Pampers Newborn Premium Care. Here I have again some of the cap and some of the warm socks and hand covering stuff. So yeah, I think it's more than 3 or 4 pieces. Actually this much is not necessary, but still I have packed it. And here also have more and more socks, warm socks and covering stuff for hand. And yeah, for me I have front opening nightwear and I have a cloth for discharge. And this is baby care kit. Since I know the gender, I bought the colors accordingly. So here is the cute set for the baby, like nail cutter, comb, scissor. You can see here. So have that. And here is the cute doll. Actually this also before the baby gender reveal itself, I bought this because I was so obsessed with the girl baby. Me and my husband, we are just manifesting for the girl baby and we bought this, and later on the result was also girl. So this is the one, and this is another one, a cute one which was sent by my sister. And I have feeding bras too, and if I get cramps it will be very severe, so I have a like bands also for me. And this is tummy belt after delivery, and I have some cloths like cotton wipes, and I have some socks for me. And here we have a baby on board sticker for car. And this also, guys, in my first month of pregnancy itself, without knowing the gender, I bought this pink color, this one and this one. And you know, all the things were pink, like we were manifesting so much for the girl. So this was the one which I bought in my first month of pregnancy itself, like baby on board with the girl baby sticker. So I also kept this. It's so memorable for me. Apart from this, I need to pack some shampoo, some face cream, makeup items, and paste, brushes and all. Yeah, that will be at last moment, or even my husband can go to the house and he can fetch that items if it is not available in the hospital. But most of the things will be available in the hospital itself, and it is not far apart from my house. It's very near, so I can send my husband to fetch all those items. So hospital we are providing us a luxury mother and baby bag, where it includes 1 pack of newborn baby size nappies, baby wipes, petroleum jelly, surgical spirits, cotton wool, baby cleansing lotion, baby moisturizer, pack of maternity pads, Mediclinic baby Benny toy. Starting from 1st to 9th month, the journey was different, and now after birth the journey will be different. Sleepless nights and everything, I'm getting prepared now itself. I'm keeping my mind or setting my mind to that. I can't just imagine, because just within 2 weeks I'm about to go to labor, whereas I was waiting from past first month to 9 months, and just the time went like this. So if I was in India, there are many people used to take care, but here in abroad and all, you need to have a midwife or full-time maid who look after you and your baby. Yeah, I'm super excited for this new journey, and first I should do my labor thing and then next stuff. So yeah guys, this is my hospital bag edition. So if any pregnant women who are watching my video, then please let me know which month are you, or which week are you in, and how excited are you. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any queries, then you can definitely comment me on my comment section. I'm super fast at replying all of your comments. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.